Hi, I'm Ryan Fletcher. I'm an associate in the corporate team here at Myerson. I'm here today to talk to you about warranties and indemnities. So the position under English law is that buyer needs to beware. Buyers in share purchases receive very little protection in relation to defects or unexpected liabilities or any other issues that affect the underlying target business prior to completion. Therefore, the method to provide coverage for this is to include contractual protections in the share purchase agreement, and they usually take the form of warranties and indemnities. Warranties differ slightly from indemnities in that they're a contractual promise from the sellers in relation to specific matters. So warranties in a share purchase agreement are often incredibly detailed. They can be, say, 30 to 40 pages long or more, and they relate to a number of different areas such as title and capacity, trading, commercial arrangements, accounts, tax, real estate, and others. If they're breached and the buyer suffers a loss, the buyer would be entitled to recover damages. Warranties in a share purchase agreement are usually qualified via disclosures. So this is information that would breach or qualify the content of a warranty. And what it means is that if something is disclosed by a seller, the buyer would be deemed to be aware of it and therefore unable to bring a claim in relation to the known issue after completion, which is where indemnities come in. Indemnities would sit alongside warranties and they effectively provide greater recovery than a warranty could. Under an indemnity, you would get pound for pound recovery and you can capture additional losses such as consequential loss. Indemnities also aren't subject to disclosures, unlike warranties, and therefore anything that is subject to a disclosure that the buyer needs coverage for would be subject to an additional indemnity. Because of the nature of indemnities, they are more limited than warranties. They're often limited to known issues that are highlighted in due diligence or, as mentioned, in relation to items that have been subject to disclosure that the buyer otherwise wants recovery for. If you'd like to understand how warranties and indemnities work in more detail, please do feel free to get in touch with us today.